In this video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your connected calendar settings in HubSpot. So to do that, you first need to head over here to your HubSpot homepage. Then, click onto this gear icon, which is your settings. Once you have clicked on that, you will be directed to your settings, and on default, General will be opened. From this case, click on Calendar, and you can see right here the calendar that you have actually opened. Now in here, make sure to enable the calendar sync checkbox to sync your calendar and task. And do take note that this feature is only available for paid users with Sales Hub or Service Hub. Now make sure as well to connect your calendar by clicking onto this right here and choosing the calendar that you want to connect. And after that, click on Save. Now this will save your calendar settings. You can also customize meeting schedule pages. So on the calendar tab in here again, just click the availability or select the meeting schedule pages. Here it is right here. So you can choose right here your availability calendar. I'll choose right here my calendar. After that, click on save. So for this, you can also customize scheduling page URL and default link by adding right here your meetings and then your URL that you have available. Once you have done those, you can head over and then just utilize your calendar to the fullest extent. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.